Okay, here we have an interesting spreadsheet. It's basically got stock, ticker symbols, companies, the revenue per year, and active customers. Again, this is fake data, but it's useful for this purpose. So there's only one test. Sort the data according to the company column from lowest to highest. So should be easy enough, right? I just can come to data sort A to Z, right? Okay, let's see what happens. So did that work? Here's a problem. I'm going to Control Z, undo that. Let's look at the revenue per year. So we've got company TAS, and their stock symbol is BRK.B. Revenue is 156 million. Active customers are 550 million. But when I sort this A to Z, the company and stock symbol columns got sorted, but revenue and active customers did not. So there's a problem there. Our data got disconnected somehow. So why did that happen when sorting and filtering seems to work pretty well generally? Well, let's look at our columns. We've got A, B, D, E. We've actually got a blank column here. So I'm going to unhide column C. So what I was really doing here, Excel treats these two columns as a separate data table, you can say, versus these columns over here, like they're two different data sets. So when I sort the one on the left, the one on the right is not affected. Likewise, if I sort the one on the right, the one on the left is not affected. So how do we deal with that? Well, there's a couple of ways. We can select all this data, which is kind of a pain, but we can do it. Control Home, so I've got all 1,000 rows. So I can click Sort now. What do I want to sort by? My data has headers, so I can sort by company. So when I click OK, it's going to sort everything. That would work just fine. If I deleted column C, everything's going to work the way I expect it to, because Excel is going to treat this as one big data table, not two distinct data tables. So be careful of that. This is one thing that throws people off. If you have some blank values in your data set and you sort, you can get results that you're not expecting. So pay close attention. Double check your results. Make sure that the data values that are supposed to be connected are still connected. I know this from personal experience. I've made this mistake in Microsoft Excel myself. So be sure that you're making sure that entire data table is selected when you're sorting, or make sure you don't have spaces so that everything stays together.